But now I'm just completely disappointed because it would give me pause in ordering by delivery. Like I paid the delivery charge,
Yeah.
through that. I now I might just go in store because I had a really bad last mile delivery experience. Reference that with Costco. Haven't ordered Costco delivery in ages, was super busy traveling a lot this month, said, okay, get snacks for the kids. Knew when my shopper was shopping, knew it was all fulfilled, delivered to my door. Again, no marketing on that cart, right? But that's an opportunity too. Also, there's an opportunity to put in a coupon code, a promotion, a something to incentivize me to do that again, right?
Hmm.
Because clearly that was more of an Instacart where a shopper was shopping at the store. But there was nothing else that I got in that to incentivize me maybe to go through that channel again. So it's about how can you market that last mile, but make that channel loyal, make it sticky. Um, Home Depot, unless I'm getting like doors or a stove, I might not do delivery again. I'll probably say I'll take it myself and go in stock or just have it shipped directly to the store and then pick it up myself. Costco and Target, continue to offer, at least in my own experience, as expected or even more like delightful experiences when it comes to either me doing the work of picking up, of shopping in store, myself, or doing click and collect, right? People love their drive up to grab their groceries.